Are you looking for make money online? You are the right place. I'm going to tell you how to make money online with paidwork.com. Making money online has become popular and accessible in recent years. Paid work is a full-time or additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet, wherever you are. You will get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. Once you've identified a platform, you'll need to sign up for an account. The registration process usually involves providing some basic information. Fill this form and sign up here. You are direct sign up with your Google accounts. Now this is the U account showing information on the phone, computer, or tablet. Get paid wherever you are, without investment. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. By completing simple tasks, in just a month you can earn up to $700 without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit of your earnings. You decide how much you earn. Some tasks are available in your Android cell phone. Focus on what you are good at and what works best for you. There are 4 ways to earn money on paid work, and each of them is distinguished by a feature that might suit you best. Engagement and your time are key to high earnings. This earning method is based on playing mobile games you choose. To use this method of monetization, you just need to install the game you like and complete a specific task in it to earn points. Some tasks take several days to complete. And the more difficult the task, the bigger the reward. The app tracks your progress over a specific time, which depends on the difficulty of the task. Once you finish the task, your paid work account balance will be automatically updated. Your salary depends on the difficulty level of the selected game. For each completed task in the game, you will receive as much as the advertiser will pay for the criteria. The salary in this method is $1.00 for each completed task in the game. You should be able to see at least 50 game tasks with different difficulty levels, so there's plenty to choose from. At least once a day you should check the status of your game task in the paid work. Make sure that the task has not expired. 100 points is count $1. You can get 1,000 points and earn $10 by completing simple tasks. You will learn by watching videos on your Android cell phone. There is many ways to earn. You can check the progress of your ongoing tasks every day in the paid work application, the remaining time of the task, status, and points earned. Online shopping explanation of the method of earning and some advices the task are available on your Android cell phones. Microtask is simple. Fill out the short form and get reward from points and get more earned with work. Paid websites. This is a Poland website and 100% trusted peoples have worked with you will start and make more money online. Check out the support page for all your questions. It's filled with the kind of knowledge that will turn you into a paid work expert in no time. Whether you're new to paid work or have been using it for years, there's always more to learn. Get the most out of your paid work account with a free online course that puts all of our top optimization tips and resources in one place. You will learn from your referral link you should share your social media and also share with friends and get more money. Dive into video lessons, step-by-step walkthroughs, and practice activities to help you learn how to earn money online more effectively.